How to Start Investing, a beginner's guide to growing your wealth. Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Finance. Today, we're diving into a topic that everyone's curious about, how to start investing. If you're looking to make your money work for you, but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Why start investing? First, let's talk about why investing is important. It's one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time, even if you're not a financial expert. Simply putting your money in a savings account might feel safe, but inflation can actually erode its value. Investment basics. So, where to begin? Investing doesn't have to be complicated. There are different types of investments: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. Here's a quick breakdown of each and what kind of returns you can expect. Steps to start investing. 1. Set financial goals. Figure out what you want to achieve: retirement savings, buying a house. 2. Determine risk tolerance. Knowing your comfort level with risk will help you pick the right investments. 3. Choose an investment platform. Nowadays, there are plenty of user-friendly platforms like Robinhood that are easy for beginners. Top beginner tips. Now that you know the basics, here are some tips to keep you on track. Start small. Investing small amounts regularly can build up over time. Stay consistent. Don't be swayed by short-term market movements. Keep learning. Finance is always evolving, so keep yourself updated. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on personal finance. Comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next.